A particle moves along a circle of radius r with constant tangential acceleration. So suppose here particle is moving along a circle of radius r with constant tangential acceleration. Say this tangential acceleration is at. Tangential acceleration is what? At. If the velocity of particle is v at the end of second revolution, means when particle completes 2 revolution, after the completion of second revolution, what is the velocity of particle? Is v. So the final velocity of particle after 2 revolution, final velocity is equal to v. Final velocity is equal to v. And what is the distance traveled? Distance traveled in 2 revolutions. Distance traveled in 2 revolution. What is the distance traveled? It is actually 2 times distance traveled s is equal to 2 times. Now in 1 revolution, particle covers a distance equal to circumference of circle. So in 2 revolution it covers 2 times circumference of circle. What is the formula for circumference of circle? 2 pi r. So the distance traveled by particle in 2 revolution is 4 pi r. 4 pi r. Now the initial velocity of particle u is equal to 0 and we want to find out what is the tangential acceleration. We want to find out tangential acceleration. According to kinematical equation, v square is equal to u square plus 2a into s. Here a is actually tangential acceleration. Therefore, final velocity is v, so v square is equal to initial velocity is 0, so 0 square plus 2 into tangential acceleration into displacement is what? 4 pi r. So v square is equal to 4 into 2, that is 8 pi r into 80, or tangential acceleration is equal to v square divided by, take this 8 pi r in the denominator. So tangential acceleration is equal to v square divided by 8 pi r. So out of 4 options, look at option number A, it is v square divided by 8 pi r. So the correct option is A.